Hi traders, good day. So today is 8th of April 2020. We are now live day trading WTI Crude Oil Market, May 2020 contract CLK 20. So this is a US session trading based from my live Telegram channel. So I just sent out one signal to go for a buy position, which is at 24.48. And targeted TP, which is around 13 ticks away. Hopefully got a positive slippage like yesterday, which I get around 13. Today hopefully 15 or 14. So this is the target TP, which is at 24.61. So at this moment we are a bit positive from our entry. So the stop loss is at 24.21, and let's go back to the chart to see whether we are in the we are on the right track. So as you can see now, any moment might hit our TP area. So we hit. We already hit the TP area. So it was very fast one. So this yellow triangle is my exit. This blue triangle is my entry. So you can see, luckily I managed to capture it live. So let's take a look. So total profit is 150. As I told you, slippage. So lucky it was a slippage. Okay, so it was a good one, good trade, 150 US dollars. So let's take a look how long this trade took. Okay. So this trade took about we did enter at 35, exit at 30, so it should be around 4 minutes plus or 5 minutes. So it was a quick one. So there's a link below in the description if you are interested to join my live Telegram channel. You can click the link and you will be directed to my live Telegram channel, and you will get this during for US session, especially the first 30 minutes will be the crucial one. Okay, so I will send out the signals to my Telegram channel. Over here we already hit the TP. Oh yeah, again another slippage, exit with plus 15 ticks profit. Lucky me today. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment or subscribe to the channel. There's a link below in the description. Feel free to click on it. So it was a quick trade. So as you can see, this is how I do day trading for US session, a very fast one. So we do this daily, only one time, one trade per day. So this is quite expected. So 150 US dollar profit for today, 8th of April 2020. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.